Starting on the tone in less than 5.
We are off. Around Doug we go. Davey with the whole shot. Through the triple they go. Into the up gate. It looks to be Davey out in front at the moment. IQ0 hot on his heels. 1 and 2 Davey. And IQ0, the decimator, first out is IQ0, then Davey.
I can't seem to catch my breath. Feel the light is fading fast. I'm afraid that I'ma crash and never recover. I tried to fight but I caved in, deeper than I've ever been. Maybe I'll just let this win, 'cause it's pulling me under. Oh, and I don't have the strength, 'cause it already took the best of me. Got him such a waste. I can't take any more days like these. I'm out of second chances, and I've been pretty damn